morning, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter from grammar book, chapter number 4, pronouns. First of all, we will throw a light on its meaning. A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. Pronouns are such words which are used in place of nouns. The word pro means for. Pronouns are used for noun. Okay, this is the definition of this pronoun. For example, my father is in. We will study the following sentence. My father is in the garage. He is busy cleaning the car. What we see in the above sentence, the underlined word he is the pronoun. He is the pronoun. In place of father, in place of my father, the word he has come here in second sentence because it is reducing or removing the repetition of the same noun, my father. Okay. It has been used in place of father, which is a noun. After learning its definition and meaning, the question rises in our mind that how many pronouns are there in English? There are almost 9 kinds of pronouns. Okay, first is personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, reflexive pronouns, emphatic pronouns, interrogative pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, indefinite pronouns, distributive pronouns, and relative pronouns. These are mainly 9 kinds of pronouns. Okay. So today we will study only 4 kinds of pronouns today in our video. Personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, reflexive pronouns, and emphatic pronouns. First, personal pronouns. The word I, we, you, he, she, it, they, etc., which refer a person, persons, a thing or things. These are called personal pronouns. Forms of personal pronouns. There are 3 forms of personal pronouns. The pronouns I and we refer to the person or persons. I is here singular person, which refers to singular person. We here refers to plural, which are plural persons speaking. So they are said to be personal pronouns of the first person. एक फिंगर हमारी ओर जब यूँ करते हैं कि मैं या हम, तो इट पॉइंट्स टुवर्ड्स अस, दैट इज कॉल्ड फर्स्ट पर्सन. The pronoun you refer to the person or persons spoken to. You refers to opposite person. जो हमारे सामने है उसको हम सामने फ्रंट में फिंगर से पॉइंट आउट करते हैं, तो वो यू होता है. यू refers to singular as well as plural. The pronoun you refers to the person or persons spoken to. जिससे बात की जाती है वो सेकंड पर्सन है, जिसमें हम you का यूज़ करते हैं. you फर्स्ट पर्सन, you सिंगुलर को भी रेफ़र करता है और प्लूरल को भी. The pronouns he, she, it and they, all these refer to another person और पर्सन्स, थिंग और थिंग्स स्पोकन ऑफ, जिसके बारे में बात की जाती है. थर्ड person, that is called third person. जैसे for example, the pronouns he, she, it and they refer to another person. he, she, it और they, ये pronouns दूसरे किसी और पर्सन को रेफ़र करते हैं, या पर्सन्स, थिंग और थिंग्स स्पोकन ऑफ, जिनके बारे में बात की जा रही है. सो दे आर सेड टू बी पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस ऑफ द थर्ड पर्सन. ओके, फर्स्ट पर्सन आई, वी, सेकेंड पर्सन यू एंड द थर्ड पर्सन ही, शी, इट और दे. वेरियस फॉर्म्स ऑफ personal pronouns are given below. Look at this table. First person, singular and plural. These three persons are divided into two parts, singular and plural. In first person, singular, I, me, mine. I माने मैं, me माने मुझे, mine माने मेरा. Plural, its plural is we. We means हम, us means हमें, ours means हमारे. Second person, you, yours, you, yours plural. Same goes in plural as it is in singular. Third person, singular, he, him, his, she, hers, it. Plural, they, them, theirs. He means वह, him means उसे, his means भी उससे, she means वह, hers means वह. He is used for masculine pronoun and she is used for feminine pronouns. Okay, in the same way, him and his are used for masculine and she and hers are used for feminine, but its plural are common pronouns. They include both masculine and feminine. They, them, theirs. These are its examples. The above table shows, according to number, there are two sets of personal pronouns, singular and plurals. Already I have cleared in this table singular and plural. Second point, according to function, there are two sets of personal pronouns, subject pronouns and object pronouns. Subject is used in very starting of a sentence, while object is used in the end of the sentence. Note, I, we, you, he, she, it and they, all these are subjects. Subject, do you know? Subject means doer of an action is called subject. Me, us, you, him, her, it and them are used as objects. These are object of a sentence. Now on second number comes possessive pronouns, a pronoun used to express ownership. Possessive means rightful, जो जिसका right होता है, जिसका ownership होता है. Possession or some other relationship is called a possessive pronouns. Just like mine, ours, yours, his, hers, theirs, etc. are the examples of possessive pronouns. Possessive pronoun means the pronouns which express ownership. Those are called possessive pronouns. Now we will throw the light on difference between possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives. Possessive pronouns are used in place of nouns. देखिए, possessive pronouns nouns के जगह पे यूज़ किए जाते हैं. एंड possessive adjectives इनको nouns के पहले रखा जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिस इज़ नॉट आवर कार. In the first sentence, the word are is used as possessive adjective. आर का यूज़ किया जा रहा है possessive adjective के रूप में, because adjective is a word. Adjective is a word which qualifies a noun. और अगर कार यहाँ पर नाउन है तो इसका एडजेक्टिव आर होगा, बिकॉज आर मीन्स हमारा. इट इज़ शोइंग द ओनरशिप. आर मीन्स हमारा, हमारा या हमारी. तो आर यहाँ पर पजेसिव एडजेक्टिव हुआ. इन द सेकेंड सेंटेंस द वर्ड आर्स स्टैंड्स फॉर आर कार, सो इट इज़ यूज्ड एज अ प्रोनाउन. कार के लिए आर्स यूज़ किया जा रहा है, तो यहाँ पर ये पजेसिव प्रोनाउंस के रूप में यूज़ किया गया. नाउ अ न्यू टेबल इज कमिंग. द फॉलोइंग टेबल shows the form possessive pronoun and possessive adjectives. Take person, first person, second person and third person. There are three persons: first person, second person and third person. Now we have classified possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives in two groups, singular and plural. In singular, possessive adjective my, but in plural are. My मेरा, are means हमारा, we can say in this way. possessive pronouns mine, ours, वो s ऐड करना है आपको तो वो possessive pronouns बन जाएगा. mine singular and ours plural. possessive adjective second person your, your means तुम्हारा या आपका. possessive adjective भी your. possessive pronouns yours and possessive pronouns yours. plural भी yours और singular भी yours. third person his, her, its. possessive adjective his, her, its. Its possessive adjective is their. plural singular तो है his, her, its और plural their. possessive pronouns his, hers, जबकि plural का possessive pronouns theirs. note डालिए. yours will be used as both regular singular and plural possessive. its is not used as a possessive pronoun. Okay students, these two pronouns are sufficient for today, and we will take some other pronouns in our next video. Stay home, stay safe and take care of yourself. Thank you and have a nice day.